Well, good morning, or good afternoon rather. We're looking at conditions that are going to be a bit on the breezy side as we continue to move into the afternoon. Seeing the flags move a bit in the Hankinson area, Dakota Magic Casino in our live view, but it's not too intense right now. So that's good to see. Just a little bit of waving going on there and visibility looking pretty good, not just in our view here, but throughout the valley now. So that fog has lifted and we've got some nice weather heading into the afternoon. Lots of sun. Each one of our reporting sites here indicating sunshine. Fargo's at 68 degrees. We're warming to the low 70s in both Grand Forks and in Jamestown. Bemidji a little cooler at 65. So is Devil's Lake, and Fergus Falls checking in at 66 degrees right now. So a beautiful start to the afternoon. Let's take a look at these winds over at the weather wall. We've got some gusts that are going into the 20s now, and that's in Grand Forks, a 22-mile-per-hour gust out of the northwest, and in Bemidji a 25-mile-per-hour gust out of that same direction. That northwesterly wind or westerly wind will persist as we continue on through the afternoon into the early evening, and some of us again seeing those gusts getting going into the 20s. So breezy, but not necessarily a really windy day, especially for the valley standards here. We know just how windy it can be, and we've got plenty of sunshine. There's some clouds making their way finally out of the Lake of the Woods, Baudette area, clearing Red Lake as well. Getting plenty of sunshine here on our visible satellite map. A couple of clouds over by Minot, and as we head into the warmer part of the afternoon, we may see a couple of clouds develop. But beyond that, that's it. It's looking quiet. So let's check in on Nicholas. Currently a tropical storm still, but it has been weakening significantly since it made landfall as a hurricane earlier this morning. We're now at a 45-mile-per-hour maximum sustained wind. That is just 5 miles per hour over what we would require as far as wind speeds for it to remain a tropical storm. It's moving to the northeast very slowly, though. That's the issue here. The center of circulation is right over Houston, but as we look up to the east, you can see all of the rain basically covering the entire state of Louisiana and back over into Mississippi. And because it's moving so slowly, we can expect it to rain there for some time. We're moving through time all the way into the morning hours tomorrow, still getting rain in some of these areas as the heart of this system is just sluggish. Eventually it does wash out and we watch that chance for rain wind down into Wednesday night, but it's going to be a wet one down there yet again, and of course they're dealing with the flooding. So here in the valley, we had rain yesterday. It was great to pick up a good ½ inch, up to an inch for some of us in the southern valley. Not everybody had that much, but it was nice to get some of those reports in. And now we're drying out here heading into the afternoon. Lots of sun. We'll see again a few of those clouds drifting through, but overall more on the mostly sunny side. Continuing on into the 5 o'clock hour. Temperatures upper 60s to some low 70s, so feeling very much like mid-September. And we do have that wind again steady in the teens at times and gusting into the 20s as we work our way into the evening. Now, as the sun starts to set tonight, we'll watch those clouds really diminish. We'll see that wind also decrease. And so by the late night hours, this is midnight, we are enjoying a much quieter wind, but with the clear skies overnight, that's going to lead to some temperatures dropping yet again. More of us back into the 40s to start off your Wednesday. So a little bit on the chilly side tomorrow morning, but here come the clouds again with our warm front moving in and the wind kicking in as well with this. Watch what happens through the day. It's going to be a little bit more on the cloudy side and that wind gets going here. This is noon tomorrow. The wind picking up into the 30s, even gusting into the 40s by tomorrow night. And I can't rule out a spotty shower or even a thunder shower into the late night hours Wednesday night and continuing on into Thursday. So a little unsettled here for the second half of the week. Today, this afternoon, though, looking beautiful. Wednesday, that chance for a late shower and that wind, and then a chance for some thunderstorms on Thursday, especially in our eastern counties. But this weekend, you know, we'll get through all of that. And then this weekend, it's beautiful, near 80 and some sunny skies. I think we'll enjoy that.
It doesn't even seem like it's going to be fall this weekend.
You know, it really will be beautiful. I mean, we're starting to see the colors turn, but it's comfortable out there. So I think that's perfect weather.
That is perfect. You're right.